Samspace81 here. How's everybody doing today? Had a couple of inspections out in Sherman, Texas. I'm here at PC Classic Cars. Just wanted to give somebody a look that was watching. One or two folks. Anybody that loves classics. I was looking at a 57 Chevy Bel Air, doing a pre-purchase inspection for a client. Also a 72 Chevrolet C10. Pre-purchase inspection for another client. You can look at samspace81.com if you're interested in a pre-purchase inspection. So let's have a look around PC Classic Cars here in Sherman. I'm here pretty regularly for clients. They really seem to turn their inventory over with regularity every month. And it's always the kind of colorful stuff that we like. That's cool. Is that a Comet? What is that? Oh, Caliente Comet. Nice. Look at that interior. Oh, I like the gray against white. That's classy. Oh, fits tight. '67 Camaro, 57 Chevrolet Bel Air that I'm looking at for a client. Nice car. Check out the custom interior. I won't get into the details of the inspection, but we can have a look inside. It's popping in there. Well, this Nova really catches my eye. Isn't that a good looking car? Man. Big block Nova. Yes, please. Let's have a peek. We got a stick in there too. Oh yeah. Stick, console, factory tag. Nice. Buckets. It'll make somebody a sweet ride. Let's have a look. I know I'm wanting to look too. Oh yeah. Nasty big block. Wonder if it's got the solid lifters in it. 375 horse, huh? We'll work our way down the other way. And I did a walkthrough about a month ago, Donnie, and it seems like you've turned about all your inventory.
Yeah, literally about 45 days
Mm-hmm.
is about the turnout time.
This Caprice was here last month. Kind of surprises me. I like the bags. Ontario Orange, 69. I know somebody that used to own one of these. Probably watching this video right now. Kisses. That's 68. That's mean. I just did a video on a 6-cylinder swinger Dart that had under 20,000 original miles. Super original car. Look at Samspace81 swinger. You'll see it. The twister. Donnie's a dart man. I've been seeing lots of darts up here. That's cool. More of this 57 I was looking at. Subtle. American as apple pie. Let's have a look outside. Got some folks looking at a 60 out there. I don't want to get them on camera. Let them handle their business. Appreciate everybody tuning in to Samspace81 for the walkthrough of Donnie's showroom. Be sure and like, share, subscribe if you're not already following me. I've got some big events coming up that you're going to be impressed with. We're going some places I've never been. I'm going to do a road trip vlog with my 2006 Mercedes E55 AMG 221,000 mile car. We're going to drive it 1,600 miles across the country. So like, share, subscribe. Samspace81, your classic car vlogger based in Texas. Thanks, y'all.